Speed is the name of the game in social media marketing. If you aren't posting breaking news the moment it happens, you are losing traffic to your competitors. But how do you stay ahead 24/7? JarveePro is the solution. Let me show you how to turn the search articles by RSS feature into your personal viral content machine. First, create a task and input an RSS URL. The goal is to capture high-value content. I'm using a Google News feed here to target hot industry keywords, but you can easily plug in feeds from top authority sites like TechCrunch or CoinDesk. Furthermore, you pinpoint exactly what you need with language and country filters. The software grabs the text, creates the post, and pushes it directly to your post campaign later. Back to JarveePro, we are blasting this fresh content simultaneously to Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc., maximizing your reach instantly. Take Facebook and Twitter as an example. Just select the account and choose the RSS task. Let's start the campaign. Consistency builds trust, but finding quality articles every day is exhausting. JarveePro takes the manual labor out of content curation and ensure your social media accounts are always fresh. This is the ultimate set it and forget it strategy. You are establishing your brand as the go-to source for industry news while you sleep. Stop wasting time searching for content and start dominating your niche with JarveePro now.